For homeowners in Green Cove Springs, keeping your home cool and comfortable is a year-round priority. Florida's hot summers, high humidity, and frequent sunshine mean air conditioning systems often work overtime. Unfortunately, outdated or poorly insulated windows can make the problem worse, letting heat pour in and forcing your AC to work harder. Upgrading to energy-efficient windows is one of the smartest ways to cut cooling costs while improving comfort and boosting your home's value. The challenge of Florida's climate. Green Cove Springs homeowners face unique environmental conditions that test the durability and performance of windows. High temperatures. Traditional single-pane windows do little to block the sun's heat. Humidity. Moisture can seep through pore seals, raising indoor humidity and energy use. Intense sunlight. UV rays not only increase indoor heat but also fade flooring, furniture, and artwork. Energy-efficient windows are designed specifically to combat these challenges, creating a barrier between the harsh Florida climate and your home's interior. How energy-efficient windows work. Modern window technology offers a variety of features that help keep your home cooler. Low-E coatings. A special microscopic layer on the glass reflects heat-producing rays while allowing natural light in. Double or triple pane glass. Insulating gas layers between panes slow down heat transfer. Durable frames. Vinyl, fiberglass, or aluminum frames with thermal breaks resist warping and reduce heat conduction. Advanced weather stripping. Prevents air leaks and keeps conditioned air inside where it belongs. These elements work together to reduce the strain on your cooling system and maintain more consistent indoor temperatures. Savings on cooling costs. The financial benefits of energy-efficient windows are hard to ignore. Lower energy bills. By blocking heat from entering your home, your AC won't have to run as often, lowering monthly costs. Reduced system strain. With less demand on your HVAC system, you'll also save money on repairs and extend the life of your unit. Year-round efficiency. While most people focus on cooling, these windows also keep warmth inside during Florida's cooler months, making them valuable year-round. Over time, the savings often help offset the initial investment, making them a cost-effective upgrade. Comfort beyond the savings. Energy-efficient windows do more than save money. They improve the quality of life inside your Green Cove Springs home. Even indoor temperatures. No more hot spots near sun-facing windows. UV protection. Protects your home's interior finishes from fading. Noise reduction. Multi-pane glass helps reduce outside noise for a quieter, more relaxing environment. Humidity control. Better seals prevent warm, damp air from creeping indoors. The result is a home that feels fresher, brighter, and more comfortable every day. Added value and curb appeal. Upgrading to energy-efficient windows is also a wise investment in your home's long-term value. Boosted resale appeal. Buyers in Green Cove Springs appreciate homes with lower utility costs and modern upgrades. Curb appeal. Stylish window designs enhance your home's exterior appearance. Insurance incentives. In some cases, storm-ready energy-efficient windows may qualify for discounts on homeowners' insurance. With both practical and financial benefits, these windows pay off now and in the future. Professional installation makes the difference. Even the best energy-efficient windows won't deliver full results without expert installation. Precise fit. Ensures no gaps or leaks that waste energy. Code compliance. Professionals understand Florida's building requirements. Durability. Proper installation protects your investment and maximizes performance. Working with experienced installers in Green Cove Springs guarantees your windows perform as intended for years to come. Final thoughts. For Green Cove Springs homeowners, energy-efficient windows are more than just a home improvement. They're a smart investment in comfort, savings, and protection. By blocking heat, lowering humidity, and improving insulation, these windows reduce cooling costs while making your home a healthier, more enjoyable place to live. If your current windows are outdated or struggling against Florida's climate, now is the perfect time to upgrade. With energy-efficient windows and professional installation, your home will stay cooler, your energy bills will shrink, and you'll enjoy year-round comfort for decades to come.